Have you ever walked into a place and felt an instant connection? A place that doesn't feel like all of the other places you've lived in. A space where you can genuinely say, feels really good to be home. It's where the walls don't close you off, but open you up to belongingness. It's where opening a door always feels like a warm welcome. At DMCI Homes, we believe a house isn't just a building. It's a space for life, love, and community.
Long before DMCI Homes started, our founder, Engineer David M. Consunji, always wanted to go into housing where he can apply his love for the craft of construction and build better homes for underserved Filipinos. His vision has been the guiding light of DMCI Homes. Things started with much difficulty, and along the way, there were challenges. But we pressed on, stayed committed, and remained true to our mission for 25 years and counting.
Great things can start by generating ideas to satisfy basic needs and solve pressing problems for other people.
I am a single parent to an autistic person. Para sa mga persons with disabilities, kailangan talaga na may extra care. So very important na yung security and safety ng anak ko.
To raise a family in the city has always been challenging. We need the space, security, and convenience.
Mahirap talaga ang buhay sa construction sa Pilipinas. Parati namin pinaproblema, sapat ba ang sweldo? Tuloy-tuloy ba ang trabaho?
Karpintero po ako, pero marami pa po ako natutunan eh. Yung mga design po kasi nila, parang nakaka-challenge po. So kung saan lang umangat po dito eh.
One of the challenges is finding a company where I can best apply my skills and talents. A company that is aligned to your values, aligned yung virtues or the core values that the company is practicing.
Through time, we discover ourselves, our values, motivations, and talents. We learn, relate, and improve. Not just for ourselves, but for others as well.
In the 5 years that we are living here in Birchwood, andito kasi yung comfortability. Andito yung pag-uuwi ka, parang ayaw mo nang lumabas after because we find rest in our community.
In our home, I actually enjoy being a parent. I feel like our kids don't miss out on their childhood. They can just go out of our homes and play.
Being part of the DMCI Home Sales team for the past 18 years has been incredibly fulfilling as we guide clients achieve one of life's greatest milestones, which is home ownership.
Panahon pa ni DM, pinangalaga na talaga ang workers na tulad namin. Hanggang ngayon, ramdam ko pa rin ang ibang seguridad na binibigay sa amin ng DMCI Homes.
Masarap sa pakiramdam eh, na sa tingin pong pinapagawa po ako ng mga bagong design po. Tapos may nakakakita, tapos namamangasilan lang ng paggawa po. Inibigay ko po lahat ng best ko.
We understand that success cannot be done alone. With this in mind, lagi namin kinoconsult yung collective efforts ng department throughout the whole organization, including the stakeholders and even the users. So user feedback is really important to our output.
Makikita mo na yung design mo nasa harapan mo na ginagamit ng mga users and they really enjoyed the product that DMCI Homes is giving. I've been here for 15 years. We've seen each other develop, and as we evolve, our designs, products, and services also evolve. I'm always excited when we offer industry firsts.
In our 25-year journey, we have provided solutions and discovered what makes us who we are. We had opportunities to share, to give, to gain purpose.
Whenever I see my child play and laugh freely, I feel like all my sacrifices are worth it.
I love my home.
Birchwood is my perfect home because we actually have all that we need inside our community.
As an individual, I can only do so much on my own. I feel blessed to become part of something larger than myself.
Proud na proud ako. Pinagmamalaki ko kahit sa mga anak ko, sa pamilya ko, kami ang gumawa niya.
As a business partner of DMCI Homes, for more than 20 years, we've been through a lot. I'm proud to be a DMCI Homes partner because I believe in our shared vision.
For me personally, I'm inspired that there are companies that care about the improvement of engineering education, especially here in the Philippines.
Dahil sa sipag at tiyaga ng tatay ko at sa scholarship na binigay ng DMCI, nakapagtapos ako ng pag-aaral. Ngayon, isa na akong lisensyadong engineer, kasama ko yung tatay ko ngayon.
DMCI Homes started as a vision with a noble purpose that sparked the passion of skilled and dedicated people. To build spaces where lives are lived and celebrated. Every new project, location, and undertaking is an opportunity to work together and deliver on our promises. 25 years of DMCI Homes. 25 years of building together and shaping tomorrow.
Maraming salamat. Your trust has been the foundation of the success of DMCI Homes.